Looking at a person's hand can reveal a variety of physical and psychological insights, depending on the context, such as palmistry, also known as chiromancy, body language, and even health-related cues. Here's a detailed breakdown of what you can infer by examining someone's hands. Palmistry is the practice of interpreting the lines and mounts on a person's hands to predict their personality or future. The following key features are analyzed. Lines heart line. This line curves around the top of the palm under the fingers. It is associated with emotions, love, and relationships. A deep, long heart line suggests someone who is emotional and sensitive, while a shallow or broken line may indicate emotional struggle or detachment. Headline. This line runs from the edge of the palm near the thumb and curves downward. It is said to represent intellect, logic, and thought processes. A straight headline might suggest a logical, pragmatic thinker, while a curved line can indicate creativity or idealism. Lifeline. The lifeline is the curved line starting near the thumb and sweeping around the base of the palm. It is often associated with a person's overall life path, vitality, and health. A long, deep lifeline is believed to indicate vitality and a strong life force, while a shorter or broken lifeline can suggest struggles or challenges. Fate line. Not everyone has a fate line, but if present, it runs vertically from the middle of the palm. It is thought to represent destiny, luck, and career. A well-defined fate line can suggest that the person's life is controlled by fate or destiny, while a faded or absent fate line may indicate a life that is more shaped by personal choices. Mounts. These are the raised areas at the base of the fingers and the palm. They are associated with various character traits. Mount of Venus, at the base of the thumb, indicates love, sensuality, and passion. A prominent mount suggests a person who enjoys pleasure and close relationships, while a flat mount might suggest someone more reserved. Mount of Jupiter, located below the index finger, represents ambition and leadership. A well-developed mount suggests confidence and assertiveness. The Mount of Saturn, located just below the middle finger, reflects responsibility, wisdom, and discipline. A strong mount suggests a person with a serious nature. The Mount of Apollo, which is found below the ring finger, is associated with creativity and artistic expression. A pronounced mount suggests a person with an artistic or creative disposition. The Mount of Mercury, situated below the little finger, is connected with communication skills and adaptability. A strong mount indicates a quick-thinking, communicative person. Body language and gestures. Hand movements and positions can reveal nonverbal cues about a person's thoughts, feelings, or state of mind. These observations include open versus closed hands. Open hands, open palms with visible palms facing upward or outward indicate openness, honesty, and trust. It suggests a person who is confident, approachable, and not hiding anything. Closed hands. Hands that are tightly clenched or fists might indicate stress, anxiety, or a defensive attitude. Finger movements. Tapping fingers. Tapping fingers or drumming them on a surface can suggest impatience, nervousness, or anxiety. Touching face or mouth. Touching or covering the mouth with the hand may indicate discomfort, hesitation, or deception. People often cover their mouth when they feel they are saying something they shouldn't or when they are uncertain. Gesturing. People use their hands to emphasize speech or to communicate non-verbally. Expansive gestures can indicate enthusiasm and confidence, while small, restrained gestures may signal discomfort or a reserved personality. Health indicators. The appearance of a person's hands can also offer clues about their physical health or medical conditions. Nail health is, well, an essential indicator of overall well-being. Healthy nails are usually pinkish. Pale or white nails can indicate poor circulation, anemia, or nutritional deficiencies. Blue nails may signal oxygen deprivation or respiratory issues. Shape and texture. Spoon-shaped nails or concave nails may suggest iron deficiency. Thickened nails or fungal infections can be signs of fungal issues or other underlying health problems. Brittle nails. These can be indicative of dehydration, vitamin deficiencies, or thyroid issues. Hand size and finger length. The relative length of certain fingers is sometimes used to analyze personality traits as part of digit ratio theory. For example, a long index finger compared to the ring finger might suggest a detail-oriented, cautious person, while a longer ring finger might indicate a more risk-taking, creative personality. Hands with redness. A persistent red appearance in the hands, especially if accompanied by warmth, might indicate inflammation or poor circulation. Swollen hands or joints. Swelling could indicate fluid retention, arthritis, or other health conditions affecting joints and circulation. Cultural and social context. Different cultures place varying importance on hands and hand-related gestures. In some cultures, certain hand gestures or palm positions can carry symbolic meanings, such as handshakes. A firm handshake can indicate confidence, while a limp handshake might suggest insecurity or lack of assertiveness. The way someone shakes hands can give insight into their personality or social confidence. Thumb gestures. A thumb up often signals approval or encouragement, while the thumb and forefinger gesture may have different meanings depending on cultural context, such as an indication of quality or a subtle insult. In conclusion, a person's hands are often a window into their personality, emotions, health, and sometimes even their future. While palmistry offers an interpretive framework, hand analysis combined with body language can provide deeper, more nuanced insights into their state of being.